Try to solve another Leetcode problem 2379. Minimum recolors to get k consecutive black blocks. So for this problem, let me just make a drawing. So we have an array of blocks. So here we're gonna represent it as blocks. So this is white. So the first one is white, and the second one is black, and this is black, and yeah, we have a white and white. Now we have two black. Now we have another white, black, and white. Yeah. So this is the drawing. So here, this is white and this is black. So we want to find the minimum recolors to get k consecutive black blocks. So for example, if k equal to 7. So if k equal to 7, we need to find the minimum of the capital letter W, because we need to recolor the W to black, because we need to get the minimum recolors, find the minimum recolors to get k consecutive black blocks. Yeah, so we just need to find how many white blocks, because we just need to recolor the white to black. Yeah, so for example, from here, we need to find a window, sliding window, with the size is going to be 7. So for example, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, maybe it is here. Yeah. And how many recolors? So as we can see from the drawing, this is 1, 2, 3. It's going to be 3 recolors. Yeah. So let's just go back. Yeah, we just need to continue to slide the window. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 7. It may be here. So what is going to be the maximum? Yeah, it is 3 as well. So maybe the minimum value is 3. Actually, it is, because we cannot find a smaller value than 3. Yeah, so we just need to slide the windows one by one until we solve the problem. Yeah, we're gonna slide it one by one until we find it. Yeah, we just need to find the minimum value. So now let's just use the fixed sliding window to solve the problem. So what do we need? We need a result, and maybe we just need a count. This count is just to count how many character W, and we also need a left pointer because we're gonna use the sliding window. So the result gonna be infinity, because we need to calculate the minimum value, and the count gonna be 0 and L gonna be 0, and then for R, C in enumerate the blocks. Now we just need to check this character C. If this is C equal to W, so we need to count it. Yeah. So the counter gonna plus equal to 1, and then we need to check the fixed sliding window. So if the window's size equal to k, we need to record the final result. Here we're gonna use the minimum, which is gonna be the result and the count. Yeah. Now we just need to slide the window, but before we slide the window, we need to check. So if the blocks L equal to W, so this means the count gonna minus 1, and we need to update the left border. Finally, we just need to return the final result. Now let me just run it to check if it works. As you can see, it works, and let me just submit it. As you can see, it passed all testing cases, and it's pretty fast, and the time complexity is all 1 because this is a sliding window. Thanks for watching. See you next time.